welcome back to Bubbly Babies.
Today I'm going to show you some wild animals living in the different jungles and forests around the world.
Try to remember as many as you can. Alright, let's start. This is a reindeer.
A reindeer.
There are two reindeers walking on the roadside. This is a gorilla.
A gorilla.
The gorilla is eating a plant. This is a mountain goat.
A mountain goat.
The mountain goats are eating grass. This is a kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
There are two kangaroos in the bushes.
This is a wildebeest.
A wildebeest.
There are three wildebeests in the grassland. This is a koala.
A koala.
The mother koala carries her baby on her back. This is a brown bear.
A brown bear.
The brown bear is on top of the rock. This is a camel.
A camel.
The camels are drinking water in the river. This is a pangolin.
A pangolin.
The pangolin is on his head. This is a crocodile.
A crocodile.
There is a crocodile in the river. This is a hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus.
The hippopotamus is eating. Let's open the second pack. This is a giraffe.
A giraffe.
There are two giraffes walking behind the bushes.
This is a Siberian tiger.
A Siberian tiger.
A Siberian tiger has white fur. This is a lynx.
A lynx.
There is a lynx sitting on the rock. This is a zebra.
A zebra.
There is a mother zebra and a baby zebra. This is a rhinoceros.
A rhinoceros.
The baby and the mother rhinoceros are eating grass. This is a leopard.
A leopard.
The leopard is waiting for its prey. This is an elephant.
An elephant.
The elephants are eating plants. This is a tiger.
A tiger.
The tiger is walking head-on. This is a polar bear.
A polar bear.
The bear is digging a hole through the snow. This is a lion.
A lion.
The lion is waiting for its prey. Thanks for watching, Bubbly Babies. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next videos. Bye-bye.